So today we are talking about something that's been getting a lot of attention in the AI crypto space. It's called Higgsfield and their brand new video model called Kling 3.0. Now I've been going through their documentation, media kit examples and technical breakdown, and what they are building here is very different from the usual AI video generators you might have seen before. This is not another type, a prompt, get a random clip tool. Kling 3.0 is designed to work inside real production workflows, the kind you would use with Premiere, CapCut or After Effects. And I want to explain why creators are excited about this model. So what makes Kling 3.0 different? Most AI video tools today generate short, disconnected clips. You get something interesting, but it's hard to use in a real project because characters change between shots, the camera feels random, text gets distorted, and scenes don't feel connected. And Kling 3.0 was built specifically to solve those problems. It's trained as a unified multimodal model, which means text, images, references, motions, and audio are all learned together, not as separate systems. This is why the result look like actual scenes, not experiments. And multi-shot generation. One of the biggest upgrades in Kling 3.0 is multi-shot generation. Instead of producing one clip, the model understands scene flow and automatically decides camera position, shot size, transitions, movement, so the story unfolds like a continuous take, almost like a real cinematographer planned it. When you look at the examples in the media kit, you can see this clearly. The shots feel intentional and not random. Then we have the native audio and dialogue. Another major difference is native audio integration. Most AI tools add voice after the video is made. Kling 3.0 generates dialogue inside the model with character level speaking, control and natural lip sync. And this is huge for storytelling, ads and cinematic content because the dialogue feels like part of the scene and not something added later. And if you've used AI video before, you know the biggest issue, the character changes. Different face, different clothes, different lighting. Kling 3.0 introduces element consistency, especially in image to video mode. That means the character, objects and environments stay consistent even when the camera zooms or pans. That's why the examples look so much more realistic. Then we have text rendering, and this is something creators often overlook until they try to make ads or UI mockups. So Kling 3.0 can render clear, readable text inside the video for signs, subtitles, storefronts and interfaces. Most AI video tools completely fail at this, and Kling doesn't. Then we have the 15 seconds continuous generation. Another upgrade is the ability to generate up to 50 seconds in one go. That gives much more continuity for action, emotion and storytelling. You are not stitching tiny clips together, you are getting longer, coherent sequences. But there's also the advanced model called Kling 3.0 Omni. So you can upload a short character video or voice clip and the model extracts visual traits and vocal tone. That means multi-image characters can keep the same look and sound across scenes. This is for creators who want recurring characters, and for them that's a really big deal. Let's think of a few use cases where Kling 3.0 could shine. Looking at their examples, Kling 3.0 is especially strong for action scenes with physics, smoke, debris and motion, emotional close-up with consistent facial expressions, macro shots of hands, objects and details, text-heavy videos like ads and storefronts, multi-character interactions without confusion, and smooth cinematic camera movements. And this is why it feels closer to a production tool than a toy generator. And why creators care about this? What Higgsfield is trying to do is make Kling 3.0 part of a real editing workflow. You generate structured scenes here, then bring them into your editing software. And that's very different from generating random AI clips and trying to force them into a project. So all in all, after going through all the documentation and examples, it's clear why Kling 3.0 is getting so much attention. It's focused on coherence, consistency and cinematic structure, so things creators actually need. And if you want to explore it for yourself, you can check out Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield using the links in the video description, and I highly recommend reading the user guide with prompt tips to understand how to get the best results. Alright guys, that's all from my side. Let me know in the comments if you tried any AI video tools before and what your experience was like. All links are in the description, and till next time.